What is going on, YouTube? My name is Lucas, and today I'm going to provide you guys with something a little different. I'm actually going to conduct a little bit of a review and kind of talk about a product that I'm associated with, and that is going to be Raze. So if you're interested, I suggest you stay tuned right after this. I mean, I can't believe the products that they're putting out. But you guys are gonna find out when I crack into this thing and really dive in and see what they got. So let's go ahead and do that. First of all, let's take a look at this box. This box is actually really cool. It's got a lot of marketing on the outside, and it really is a pretty good, sized box. So let's see what's in there. Cracking into this thing, it's actually pretty hard because there's staples and all kinds of tape. So as we're opening this thing up, it's got really cool quotes. It's got really cool kind of actual motivational things. And it even talks about snapping a photo and sitting in your case. So we're going to do that. But like it says right here, don't stop when you're tired, stop when you're done. That's actually, I've seen that all over the place. Don't limit your challenges, challenges your limits. That's pretty cool. So a little bit, we're gonna crack into this thing. Man, as of right now, I've tried Apollo, and I've posted quite a bit of pictures about it. Apollo has really impressed me as an energy drink. I enjoy it. It's got great flavor, and it kind of reminds me of Skittles in a way. So let's get actually into this thing. And the first thing out the gate is going to be a sticker. That's pretty cool. I will have no problem hanging that thing. And bubble wrap. And let the games begin. So the very first one, and I've actually am really excited to try this, is Voodoo. And I really think that this is going to be great. It's, limited edition. And I got some plans for that one when it comes to designing a pretty cool picture. Obviously there's Apollo. I love Apollo. As you guys can see, I got Apollo over here. I mean, I love it. So the next one that is in here is Baja Lime. And I've been wanting to try this one. There was a case at Vitamin Shop and they have them for $25 in a case, and I was like, man, I really just want to try it, and we'll see what I like, and I might be getting a case. And the final one, which is another one of my favorites, is going to be Sour Gummy, as you guys can see there. And I mean, let's be real, I love the Sour Gummy. Holy smokes, there's a lot in here, ladies and gentlemen. So we're gonna do the Hypersleep. Can't wait to try that. There is going to be Broken Arrow, which I believe is their pre-workout from Repp Sports. And then we got actual Raze packets to go into water. Some more Hypersleep, but I'm kind of excited to try it from a different standpoint, actually putting it in water versus drinking it from a can. Some more Broken Arrow, some pre-workout. That's going to be the Guava Melon. Man, they really stacked me up. We got some more Sour Gummy Worms. Got some more Hypersleep. That's going to be Vanilla Soft Serve. That sounds delicious. Again, some more Broken Arrow. Some more Broken Arrow. I can't wait to drink that stuff before my runs. Man, they really hooked me up. We got a t-shirt that says Raze Energy, and on the back it is Raze Rebellion. Hashtag Raze Rebellion. Can't wait to tag that on there. Then they gave me the wristband, which I will definitely wear. The koozie, I mean, yes, let's just go ahead and slide her on in there. Alright, well, it's not working. So we'll do that later. Maybe I'll have to throw a bush light in there. And then we got the bag to put all this stuff in and carry it around. That's pretty freaking sweet. And the final product, I cannot wait to show you guys this. It is going to be Hypersleep. But in all reality, guys, that is the box. Actually, nope, one more thing. Repp Sports got another sticker. Pretty cool. So I can't wait to try these products out, guys. There's a few I have tried, but there's definitely some that I've been looking forward to. And obviously there's so many other energy drinks. I mean, there really is. And I'm going to continue to order from them. And like I said, I'm going to continue to promote these guys, because I'm trying to be an ambassador, and I really look forward to, you know, repping Raze Energy for you guys and bring you something special to the channel. And that's just what my plan is. So you guys know how I do it. If you enjoyed this video and really are interested in getting into Raze, visit Repp Sports or Raze Energy, and you guys know how I do it. If you like the video, smash that like button. It helps out tremendously. And if you enjoyed the content, I'm going to keep the content flowing. So subscribe to my channel, and as always, have a good day.